In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to obtain your flight receipts from Ryanair, whether you need to access past booking details or download your VAT receipt for expense reporting or personal records. I'll guide you through each step so you can handle this process easily and efficiently. To get started, you'll want to begin by logging into your Ryanair account on their official website. If you've forgotten your login credentials, don't worry. You can simply use the forgotten password feature to reset your details. Just make sure you're using the same email address that you used during your flight booking for a seamless login experience. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for accessing all your necessary booking information. Once you've successfully logged in, your next step is to navigate your way to the My Bookings section. You'll find this tucked away in the main menu, so feel comfortable clicking around the site until you locate My Bookings. This portal is your gateway to all your past and upcoming flight details, serving as the main hub where you can manage your flights and access the necessary documents. Now, let's focus on scanning through the list of your bookings to find the specific past flight for which you need receipts. Once you've pinpointed the correct booking, you'll notice an option that says Manage this trip. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to modifying and retrieving all pertinent details about that particular flight. It makes the process straightforward while ensuring you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. As soon as you enter the trip management section, keep an eye out for the option labeled Download Booking and In-Flight Receipts. Selecting this will generate a PDF file for you. The file download should begin automatically, providing you with an official record of the booking details and the purchases associated with your flight. This document is particularly valuable for both personal and official purposes, ensuring you keep track of your travel expenses. Now, it's worth mentioning that if you booked a domestic flight within a VAT-inclusive country, such as Italy, Spain, or France, Ryanair has you covered. You should receive your VAT receipt automatically via email shortly after the flight. This is particularly helpful for anyone needing to report VAT expenses in these countries. Be sure to check your inbox and remember to look in the spam folder just in case the email didn't end up in your main inbox. And that's it! By following these easy steps, you'll successfully gain access to your Ryanair flight receipts. As always, make sure to safely store these documents for your records. If any further issues arise, don't hesitate to reach out to Ryanair's customer service for additional support. They typically offer assistance via various communication channels, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial assists you in your receipt retrieval process. Be sure to subscribe for more travel tips and helpful tutorials that simplify your travel management experience.